Hey everyone, this is JQ back with another video. So I'm going to change my upload schedule. So instead of uploading Monday through Saturday and getting Sundays off, I'm now going to only upload on Sundays because I feel that having to produce my music and then mix and master it and edit the video all in one day is kind of impossible for me to do to get the content uploaded by midnight. And then I'm going to start doing music videos for all my original stuff and lyric videos, so I'll need a day to edit those as well. So be looking for the awesome content on Sunday. I want to make sure it's awesome and epic and viewer friendly for all you guys, so be looking out for a new songs, beats and loops on Sundays. And then if I do have a tutorial or a review on something that I own music wise, I will upload that like anytime during the week. So tutorials and reviews will still be uploaded during the week, but songs, beats, little jingles, cover songs, and loops will be uploaded on Sundays. So be looking out for that. Right now I'm going to let you hear a little preview of a new worship song that I've been working on all weekend. So it sounds pretty cool. I'm going to swap the camera around so you can see the song. There it is. I'm using Cakewalk by BandLab. So far I've got 11 tracks. The ones below are the master and the buses. I'm going to add lyrics to this tomorrow morning, so this will be uploaded on next Sunday, but I'm going to let you hear a little preview of it right now, so here we go. So yeah, that's a little preview of my new song. I'm going to call it We Can Change the World. So yes, it is a worship song. And yeah, so if you like this, give me a thumbs up, subscribe to the channels, and click the bell notification so you don't miss any future videos, songs, beats, and loops. And comment down below, let me know what you think of this new song. And share this with your friends and family if you like. So I'll upload the full version next Sunday. So yeah, so be looking out for better sounding songs, because now I'll have time to produce and mix and master them and edit. So I will see you next Sunday with the full version of the song. So stay tuned. Alright, thanks. Bye.